Now let's look at how to customize the header and footer of your website. The header is always visible here at the top of every page. To edit the header, just click on it and then click on Edit Header. And here in the first tab, we can change the layout of our header. And under Elements, we can enable or disable specific elements that will be displayed in the header. And in Logo, we can add our own logo. And in the Style tab, we can play around with the style of the header. So for example, we could change the background color. Then we have our website footer, which will always be shown all the way at the bottom of every page on our website. The footer works just the same way as a simple section, so you can simply click on any element and make changes to it. Now, if you want to hide the footer on a specific page, then go to that page first by clicking on it on the navigation menu, then scroll back down to the footer, select it, click on the eye icon, and then click on Hide on this page.